Dave here at grabgreattraffic.com with your introduction part 2 to Kompozer, and we're going to start working with you can build tables from scratch or templates from scratch if you want, but it's much easier to use a template. And if you signed up for my newsletter on the blog there, then you've already got some sample headers and graphics and some basic templates, and that's what we're going to work with right now. Now you'll notice this tab here is untitled because we haven't opened anything, and how I work these is you can keep opening tabs if you like by hitting Control T and Control T again, and then if you go over to your right here to this little X, and you can now start doing away or eliminating the tabs starting from the right to the left. So let's go ahead and what you would do to open up a document in this untitled after you have your tab, you first have to have the tab, and here we have our tab, is either go up here to open a file, or you can just hit Control O, and I'm a keyboard fanatic, so that's what I will do, is hit Control O, and we'll go into let's see here, actually we are going to save this in New Project, which is a folder that we've created, but we want the left nav, so let's go into the left nav and pick out our index HTML. Now I want to show you the importance here of keeping all of your folders and all of your documents in the same folder. And for instance, like images and stuff, right now this index knows where to look for the images. So let's open index here, and here it is. Now let's save this, and we can go up here and save. Save this as index. We want to leave it probably as index, only now we're going to move it over to the new project, and this folder's empty, and we're going to save it, and we still have the images. But if we close Kompozer, if we close this now, close this tab, and now let's hit Control O again and open it up, and now all these videos, or excuse me, all these images, it's not available anymore. So what we need to do is go to the we can go to the desktop, and we have this. We could either pull it out of our left nav folder, or I have it up here, and we're just right click it and drag it down to New Project. This is the image folder that was in the left nav, and we're going to move it here, and now we'll open Kompozer again, and we'll close this, and now we'll open it again, and now it knows where to find all these because we brought the image folder over with it. So if you don't do this when you get done uploading all your files and stuff to your server, it won't be able to find any images. So you want to keep them all in the same folder. And of course, every folder, main folder that you have, will need an index icon or document. Otherwise, the browser will ask you, it'll bring you up a list of all the folders in there and ask you which one you want. So one document has got to be indexed in a folder for it to work properly. Now, of course, website title here. I don't know how many web pages you'll open up that have this for their title. And how you change that is to go up to Format and go down to Page Title and Properties, and we'll call this and we're going to type in Easy for You Guru. Shows you the best free resources, and that's going to be our title. We'd like some keywords in there, and we'd like to indicate what it's all about. And then of course we'll go down for the description. This would be like your meta tag, and we can put in like learned how to use, or learn where the best learn the location, learn where to find the best free web building resources, and hit OK. And now Easy for You Guru shows up on this. Now you'll also see that there's a little red tag here, and that shows that you've made a change and haven't saved it. So let's hit Control S to save, and we'll see that little red box goes away. Now let's go down to the bottom, and we're in design view right now. Let's go to source, and here we see, if we go to the top here, it's opening up way at the bottom. If we go to the top, we see for the title, and we've got the meta content is learn where to find the best free web building resources that we typed in, and now our page is properly titled with a description. So let's go back to design, and that concludes part 2 for your intro to Kompozer. And in our next video we're going to take up adding a little content. So hope to see you back in the next video. Thanks for watching.